how to control a camera using the settings in the 2ndLook software. So on the camera options, if you look at it, I have one camera called SDI camera, and under the SDI I have different tabs: driver, conversion, compression, control. So the driver just shows the name of the device, the driver of the device, and the model of the camera, which is USB 3 Vision. There are different conversion algorithms once you acquire the image and you want to just post-processing it or real-time processing it. You can use this conversion algorithm, which I talk about it in the another video. There's a compression methods which you want to compress the data, and there's a two different compression methods which you can use. And there's a control tab. Under the control tab we have connect, basic, advanced. Under basic you have the basic camera settings, and you can basically set the exposure. So right now that my exposure is set at 15,000 microsecond, and if I want to increase the exposure, I can just increase it to 16,000, and it's changing in real time. And also you can if you basically hide the display, you can also access all these options. If your camera supports the 8 bits, 10 bits, 12 bits, you can acquire the images in 10-bit or 12-bit format as well, or 8-bit. Also, if you want to change the field of view, for example, this camera is a 4 megapixel camera, but if you want to look at only 1024 or 1024, you can change the width and height in here. If you want to do the horizontal binning or vertical binning, you can also do it in this simple settings. So let's just acquire the images with this current options here. On advanced settings we have more options, so you basically have access to all the camera settings in here. So there's a acquisition control, analog control, device control, digital I/O control, image format control, transport layer control, and some user set controls. For example, if you want to change a gain of your camera, analog gain, you can open this tab, you can come here, and in real time you can access it. For example, if you want to change it from 1 to 2, so basically increase the gain, increase the image intensity, and you can just even go 3, and as it goes, like, increase the image intensity. So there are some other ones. For example, if you want to do the acquisitions, so there's some option for trigger mode, there's some option for acquisition mode. For example, right now it's set at continuous. You cannot change it because the camera is running, but once I stop it, I can go the single frame, multi-frame, or continuous frame. This option is also available in the basic. So I just run it again at continuous mode and run it again. So that's all we need to know, some basic settings for the camera in the 2ndLook software. For the next video, we will talk about conversion algorithms that you can use in the 2ndLook software. I hope you enjoyed this video.